Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another feel. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Kriyya Hair. Shout out to you, Kriyya, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is the 13x4 Kriyya Billie Eilish style Burgundy root straight wig. It is 150% density, and I have it in 24 inches. So on the site it says Kriyya Billie Eilish style deep part 99J burgundy roots on black hair straight 13x4 lace front human hair wig. It's 150% dense. So all of that is kind of like in the title of it, and I'm looking for, okay, so I don't see any other stuff. This unit does only come in 150% density. It is available in 18 to 24 inches. Those are the only two lengths that I see. This unit is a straight texture, even though I am wearing it curled now, but I did show you guys how I did that. So the unit does come straight. I don't want there to be any confusion with that. Sometimes people just kind of look at the thumbnail and see curls, and then they'll get a unit and they're like, oh my God, you know, it's not body wave, whatever. Okay, so yeah, no, this unit is not a body wave wig. It is a straight wig, so kind of do with that what you want to do with that. You can curl it and add curls. It just kind of shows you the versatility of this unit. The curls, I did end up using my Gots to Be glue free spray on them to kind of preserve them a little more. I have noticed that kind of helps it a little bit, but it is a straight textured wig, so just be mindful of that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, I did not experience any like straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any of the things. That's just to say straight out of the packaging, she did none of the things. I did bleach the knots, so be mindful of that. In my opinion, the knots did not come pre-bleached at all. So just kind of be mindful of that. So I did do it, I just didn't do it on camera. And I do feel like it came pre-tweezed. It could use a little more tweezing. I did tweeze it a little bit, but not a whole lot. But you know, you can do with what you want to do with your wig, girl, because it's your wig, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, the unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, but I am an average cap size, so honey, do with that what you want to do with that, okay, girl? Do with that what you want to do with it. Alright, so my con with this unit is my standard con with these sort of units. It's the fact that it's a 13x4. Like, it's just only so much you can kind of do with 13x4 units, especially like on the side areas, because literally you're gonna hit weft like right there on the side. So you can only go as far back as like right in here, you know what I mean? But luckily this one does not show weft, so that is a plus. But yeah, that is my one and only con with this wig. Okay, so my pros with this wig is I love the differentness. Is that a thing? I like how different it looks in the top. Like, I like the 99J, and I feel like you can do that with a lot of different colors, but I feel like 99J is the safest color to do that with, you know, especially if you're not really into kind of just stepping outside the box. I really like that. I do know why they call it the Billie Eilish or Eilish or however you pronounce her name style, because I think I've seen her do it with like green, if I'm not mistaken, like a lime green. But I do feel like this is a safe color. I really, really love that. I also love that the hair seems to be holding a curl really, really nicely, and it looks like it really gives the illusion that this unit is like a body wave wig, just by the way that it's holding its curls and the fact that the hair is really, really soft. So those are my pros. Yes and no, I would recommend this wig. It just kind of depends on who you are as a person. I feel like you will only gravitate towards this wig if you are a certain type of person, somebody that's not really afraid of colors and, you know, kind of being a little odd, you know, having a little odd look, you know, something different. If you are somebody that likes to kind of stick to, you know, the norm, then this may not be for you. But if you are looking for something that's a little different, I love that they offer that. Like, I love it. I really do. So it just kind of depends on the person. I personally would recommend it, but it just depends on you. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", and this is 24 inches, so it's pretty long on me. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about it. Let me know if you're feeling it. Do you think it's a look? Do you think it's a vibe? Let me know down below. Also, let me know if you would rock this wig. I am really interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Kriyya, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away.